You don't need an API, a backend, or a full checkout system to accept crypto on your website. In this tutorial, I'll show you two copy-paste methods. One is pure HTML. The other uses a few lines of JavaScript. Both take under 5 minutes. Start in your DirectCryptoPay dashboard. Go to Payment Tools. You should already have a payment tool created. If not, check our first tutorial linked in the description. Find the tool you want and click Get Code. You'll see 3 tabs. The first method is button code. It's a simple HTML link styled as a button. Click Copy. Now switch to your code editor. I have a simple HTML file here. Paste the button code inside the body. Save and open in the browser. That's it. A styled payment button live on your page. When a visitor clicks it, they're redirected to the DirectCryptoPay checkout. No JavaScript, no backend, works anywhere you can paste. HTML. Now the second method. Go back to Get Code and select the Widget Code tab. This one uses JavaScript. The snippet includes the DCP script, a button, and a few lines of code that open a checkout overlay when clicked. Copy it. Paste the widget code in your HTML file. Save and open in the browser. Click the button and the checkout opens right here as an overlay. Your visitor never leaves your site. They pick their token, connect their wallet, confirm, and the payment lands in your wallet. The onStatus callback lets you react to the payment. For example, redirect to a thank you page or update your UI. Quick recap. The button is pure HTML. Works everywhere, but redirects the user. The widget uses JavaScript, keeps the user on your site, and gives you full control with callbacks. Both are non-custodial. Both work on the free plan. Check the full written tutorial linked in the description. And if you want to try Pro, our first 20 testers get 3 months free. Join the Discord to claim your spot. Thanks for watching.